Good morning, Squirrel here. Down at Carter Road again. Taking a minute to take it all in because it is so lovely today. You can see over here the purple flowers are in bloom. I don't know what they are. They're so pretty. And there's just little, almost lily pad looking. What are those things, do you think?
Lily pads.
Baby lily pads all over the lake.
Oh, the little things are duckweed.
That's okay, they still look pretty.
Yeah.
Here's the trail. It's a gorgeous day. Say hi, Daddy.